in a fun jump journal dream. DJ's crafting grungy scenes. Hither and Yon, where friends all meet. Paper glue and vintage treats.
Hello, my crafty friends and creatives from around the globe. Welcome to Hither and Yon Studio. And if you've been here before, welcome back. DJ in the studio today. I received my first official box as part of the design team for Paper Rose Studio. So I thought I'd do a little fun unboxing with you guys and kind of show you what's inside and some of the goodies I'll be working with as part of the design team in this early part of 2025. There I am in the design team lineup, and here are the rest of the other great creators. So if you want to take a screenshot, you can go check them out and see what all they're doing with their Paper Rose Studio boxes or supplies. And yeah, so that's the dream team. And let's go through the box. This came all the way from Australia, so it got here a little late, but we are catching up. And I just wanted to show you what was inside. I did take out the invoice and I kind of took the wrapper off, but that's all that I did. Let's get into it. Okay, so. Ooh, so many goodies. I am so excited. All right, so I think this was a freebie. So these are just some embossed die cuts. And I'll take one of them out. These look like winter die cuts. I don't believe these are on my invoice list, so I am going with these are a freebie, but let me just double check. Yeah, so that's awesome. A nice little freebie as part of the team. So yeah, these are fun. Look how pretty. So much fun color and nice embossing on there. Beautiful winter feel. Still time to use these for winter projects. So love that. The Bees and Butterflies collection is their new collection. And this is the one that I'll probably be using for my very first make. So we have a 6x6 paper here, pack collection of beautiful papers. Just check this out. Looks like there are 2 of them. And these are double-sided 6x6 papers. So very nice weight. They have a very slight sheen to them, but I would say they were far more matte than glossy by all means. These are gorgeous. Oh my goodness, I love the colors on these. They are right up my alley. How pretty. Lots of little pieces to cut apart. I love that. Lots of fun ways I can think to use these. And we know we all have a ton of 6x6s, but there's nothing like a new pack of paper, right? Okay, looks like we got some doubles here. So that is the first pack. And what do I do with the cover piece? Here it is. Okay. So that one is the 33558 if you're looking for a specific pack. We'll put that over to the side like that. This is pack number 2, and this one is 33582. And this is more 6x6. Ooh. So these have a lot of patterns and more cut aparts. Well, little bits to cut out. These would make fun tags and dangles. Oh, look at those patterns. Love it. Okay, and then it looks like it dupes. Okay, very nice. So it looks like there's 3 sets of that. Love them. Okay. So, moving on. So just the 6x6s for that. And then there are supposed to be some cut aparts. So, all right. So, actually some embossed die cuts. So that's these here. This is from the same set. This is a fairly new set. So this one I don't have. Well, let me see if it's on here. See if I can find the SKU for you. Okay, it's 33585. Bees and butterflies embossed die cuts. Okay, that is this pack. And you can see they have the embossing on them. These are a lightweight cardstock, which is perfect for piling on and layering. And they are just blank on the other side. So there is this page. Look at the balloon. I love it. Very pretty. Oh, I like this. These would be fun on some covers and pockets and such. You are my sunshine. Yeah, that's a nice set. So I'm excited. So that is, and there's also some 12 by 12s. They have some other pieces as part of that line. I couldn't get them in time for this box, but I will definitely be showing them off because they do complement that pack. But I did get some other goodies. So they have another pack called Birds of a Feather. And so I got, let's see, I got the 6x6. So I did get these because I loved, you know me and birds, so I had to get some birdie stuff. And this is SKU 21985. And this is the 6x6 paper collection, 18 double-sided pattern pages, three each of 12 designs. Okay, so let's see where it breaks and then we won't double up. Okay, so we have the feathers, and this also has that light sheen, which I love. And then just some text. Lovely whitewashed wood. Ooh, and mandalas. Look at the buddies. Lots of fun stuff. Ooh. Nice big mandala. Oh, that's gorgeous. It's like a cracked paint wall or something. These colors are really, really pretty. Nice mauves and light colors. This, you can actually see the sheen with this piece. Not bad. I can definitely sand these two to distress them more. And then this is just a repeat of the same patterns. Birds of a Feather. Love it. Okay, then I did get, well, we'll put this to the side and some of these other pieces. Let me go through, let's see, what's this? That. Okay, so I did get this flower shop pack and Vintage Rose. So this one is Vintage Rose Basics. This is a 12 by 12 paper collection. I love, love, love these colors. It's such a beautiful vintage rose, says the package, design pack. And this is 12 double-sided pattern papers, 2 of each of the 12 designs. And this SKU is 33621. And this is just a cover page. Ooh! That's nice. All those sentiments. I love it. Okay, so we have this. Lots of little pieces to cut apart. Oh my goodness. I love these colors. Guys, I hope it's coming through because these are gorgeous. Oh my, I love it. Lots of pretty roses. Ooh, nice pattern papers. Those are going to work really nice in folios and journals. So many tags. We love our tags. How cool is that? More graphs. You guys know I love graph paper. Ooh, I just love this color. I am so excited. I can't wait to get going. Guys, if you want to go and visit, okay, and now we're just into the second set. If you want to order yourself some of this gorgeous paper, you can go to paperrose.com.au and check them out. They are an Australian-based company, so you would be ordering from Australia, and just keep that in mind. And then I got these cut-aparts. So these are also in the Vintage Rose collection, and this is SKU 33651, and it includes 18 single-sided 6x8 sheets of elements to fussy cut. And there's 6 designs times 3 of each. So, these are really pretty. Ooh, and these are really heavyweight. So, little lighter than a lightweight chipboard and a little heavier. It's like a heavyweight cardstock, so very pretty. Great for layering as well. Oh, look at the telephone and that bike. Oh my goodness. I'm in love. Speaking of love. How very cool. Oh, nice little flower shop. How pretty. And then another camera here. I love these. Okay, and then we're into the doubles and triples. So that is the Vintage Rose cut-aparts. Okay, and then in the Butterfly Garden, I got these two. So we'll just go through these. So I got the Butterfly Garden 12x12 paper collection. This is SKU 25054, and it includes 12 double-sided pattern papers, 2 each of 12 designs. Lots of fun stuff for us to work with. I'm so excited. I see lots of folios and fun cards in my future. Look at those guys. I could fussy cut a lot of those too. Very pretty. Woo! Very nice. Oh, look at that. Very pretty. Lots of little sentiment cards. Very nice. More of that graph paper. Oh, look at that. That's gorgeous. I love those blues. Oh, there's so many colors in here. Look at the yellows. And oranges and gold. Very nice. Oh, lovely. So these could also be cut out. Nice. Very pretty. These are going to be great for spring and summer makes. And then these are the duplicates. So, very nice. Love it. Okay, and then on the Butterfly Garden line, I also got these pop-out die cuts. So these are not embossed. These are just the regular pop-out die cuts. And hold on, this is SKU 25120. And there's the website if you want it. It's paperrose.com.au. And this has 4 A5 sheets of pop-out die cuts. Yeah. So we've got this one, perfect for card making. Oh, gorgeous. And these are going to fall out, so I'm not going to have to struggle with these at all. Very nice. Look at that. Oh, so pretty. Oh, and then there's some moths up here too. Very nice. Okay, and so that's the die cuts. And then I got the standalone flower shop. This is another collection. And this is SKU 33255, and it's 6x6. It's 18 double-sided pattern, 3 of each of the 12 designs, 3 each of 12 designs. So we have that. Ooh. Ooh, look at that wreath. Jumping out at me. That would make a really pretty cover for a junk journal, and then to just pile on some of the butterflies from these other collections and other flowers and stuff. Oh, I'm so excited. Oop, and there's the back of that one. More cards. Nice. Oh, very nice. This would also make a good cover with some bits around the side here. Oop, I didn't flip it over. Sorry, guys. It's a little late in the day. So there. And then this gorgeous one. How pretty. Oh, very nice. Blues. And then these are the dupes. So, again, that is the Flower Shop 6x6s. And then I got these extra bits so that I had them on hand. I got this background embossing folder. Does this have a number on it? 32160, simple dots. I thought that would be good universal background. And then I got this embossing folder, which I thought would also be a good universal background with these flowers on it. And this is 32292 Floral Garden. Very nice. And then I just got these sentiment packs. So I got this one, which has some black and white words. This is called All Occasion Sentiment Sheets. It's 12 sheets, and the SKU is 22339. And it's a mix of these black and white sentiment sheets. These are to be cut apart, so they're not stickers or anything. It's just a sheet to cut apart. And so, yeah, most every occasion, probably, you know, except for the alternative ones. And then we have them in the black and the white. So a lot more black than white in this set, I think. Or am I? Oh no, here we go. So are these dupes? Yeah, okay, so there's 2 sets of these. 2 sets of 6 designs. Very nice. Perfect for card making. And then I got these bigger ones because I don't have a lot of, you know, kind of fancy sentiments. And I have a few die cuts or dies to make die cuts with, and some stamps. But I figured I'd get some of these too because they have that sheen on them, which I love. So these would be great. And I could emboss these as well. So these include, so these are called Big Sentiments 1.0. SKU is 22336. And this has 2 each of 6 designs, again in the black and the white. So I feel like there's one behind here. There is. All right, so. Oh, I see. Okay, so it's like the same designs on black and white. White on black, black on white. Ooh, I like these really big ones. Very nice, very nice. Yeah, so every occasion here, you know. And there, we're back at the dupes. All right, so that's Big Sentiments. And guys, that is the box. That is my first official Paper Rose Studio box, and I couldn't be more excited. So tell me what you think. Are you excited for the makes? I know I am. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Go check out Paper Rose Studio online and see if you can find some of these goodies for yourself. Yeah, and then maybe you can play along on the makes as well. All right, guys, I will see you in the next video. Watch out for my makes on these pieces, and have a great rest of your day or night. Bye!